up, internet? So we're back on Joe's bike. We're gonna install this OldStf hardline oil lines. OldStf is, I think they're in NorCal. They make a bunch of cool parts, but we're gonna install these oil lines. It's gonna replace this crossover line and then this oil line that goes to the crankcase. So I'm just gonna prep the fittings with Teflon tape, and then we'll get back to it. So stay tuned. All right, so we're gonna take these oil lines off first. This uses a 1/2 inch. What's like what I noticed about these and why these are common to leak is because it uses a rubber seal, and I'll show you right now. Watch, or just hang tight. Let me take this off. But these oil lines use a really cheap rubber seal, and over time they get brittle, which then causes this oil line to leak. But I'll show you. See, here it is. So see, it's already getting chewed up. You want to zoom in there? Right. See, it uses these rubber, and that's why they leak over time. I mean, yours isn't leaking right now, but. And then if you look at the OldStf one, they use these ferrules. I don't know if you can see it, but oh shit! Go grab it. Everything is freaking. OldStf uses this like brass, like ferrule. I don't know what they call these, but it seals it up using pretty much all metal instead of that cheap rubber. But yeah, that's why these things tend to leak over time, like I said. Yeah, this one's pretty beat up.
Yeah, man.
Alright, so we're just gonna pull this shit off. We're not gonna keep recording this, but basically just pull these off, and then we'll get back to recording when we put all this stuff on. See? Alright, so now we're gonna prep the fittings with some Teflon tape. Usually when you put the Teflon tape on, you want to do it where the end is on the way, so when you turn it in, it tightens the Teflon, if that makes sense. So like, I usually do like 3 wraps. 3 should be enough. See, so when I turn it, the Teflon like turns with it. And one side.
Nice.
Good. Perfect. And then go do the other one. Those look hard. Shit, I forgot I gotta get this one out. Alright, so now I gotta take this other old fitting off from this side. We won't keep you guys recording, so we'll be back.
Stay tuned.
All right, so we got the fittings on. We didn't record this part, but there's a plug here. It's like an Allen key plug. Because how this is gonna sit, it's gonna be like this. Like this. And then that bottom is gonna be like this. And this one goes like this. Come in here. Just like so. Just like that. So this will go here. Just start it now. So I'm not tightening everything yet. We're just gonna get it started. Man, this is kind of weird.
Yeah, right?
It's like funky. It's not, we'll figure it out later. Shit. This fucking carburetor's like,
It's in the way.
kinda, yeah. Maybe it's this way. Yeah, it is. But see this part?
Uh-huh.
Like, it's
They
kind of
won't.
funky.
Too short.
Yeah. Yeah, this is funky, dude. Where's that little 7/16 at? The fuck, dude?
Go in.
Yeah, but it's like this fucking part of your
Yeah.
throttle is like in the way, you know?
Fuck.
That's fucking whack.
And then that won't.
Like, none of this is lining up, really.
Right.
I don't like that. What the fuck?
Crazy.
Yeah. Very. Do I have this on one? Oh, duh.
This reminds me of hardlines on an air ride system.
Maybe it's this way. Yeah. Nope, that's not it either. What the fuck, dude? Are these lines like bent wrong? Let's see. Fuck, this fucking stupid. Like, it's so retarded.
You didn't run this one on your last bike?
No, I made my own.
Oh shit.
Yeah. Because my carburetor, it doesn't allow me to use this system.
Oh.
There you go. All right, so we got it fitted. Because these are aftermarket cases, I think that's why it's not like a perfect fitment. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
'Cause these are your cases are Delcron, which are good cases, but I'm assuming he bent these with like stock. You know what I mean? With
Yeah.
like stock cases. But we got it to work. As long as it doesn't leak, that's all that matters.
You're right. Shit.
So yeah, this is pretty much it. What do you think?
Looks amazing, man.
Oh, what's nice too about this oil line system is that each head gets even amount of distribution of oil because it's coming from the same source, whereas before it would go here and then it would have to cross over. Now it's going from here directly to both. You know what I mean?
Nice.
So it has some performance advantage, I guess. Your heads will get even amount of oil. You know?
Yep. Just gotta tighten them all up.
And yeah, those brass ferrules that are in there, like as they tighten, they like kind of like pinch into this fitting, so it like seals it up nice.
Nice, so oil won't come
Yeah,
out.
it won't leak. That's it, my friend.
Yeah, man. Looks great.
Perfect.
Look at that.
OldStf oil lines installed. Prism Supply Super Prism throttle installed.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, they're good to go. So, yeah, let me take the camera over. You start it. We'll make sure there's no oil leaks.
Oh,